In this video, I will show you how to cancel subscription in Google Play. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do is first of all, open up the Play Store on your device. Now, once you've done that, you want to come up and press your profile icon, which is up here in the top right hand corner. What I was going to do is bring up a menu like this, and you want to come down and press onto payments and subscriptions. From the next screen, you want to go ahead and press onto subscriptions. And what it's going to do is show all your active subscriptions. So you can see I've got a couple that I've already cancelled, but you can see I've got one here, Calm, which is currently active. Now to go ahead and cancel the subscription, all you want to do is select the subscription you want to cancel and give it a press. What that's going to do is take you to a screen like this, and if you look at the bottom, there's going to be an option to cancel subscription. So all you want to do is press onto the cancel subscription button. It might ask you if you would rather pause your subscription. Of course, you would just come down and press no thanks. Then it's going to ask for some feedback on what's making you cancel. I'm just going to go ahead and press onto other. And then if we go ahead and press the blue continue button at the bottom, you'll see we're going to get a confirmation saying cancel subscription. So this is going to tell you when your subscription will be cancelled. It's generally at the end of your billing period, so when you're next due to be billed, but it's going to give you the date there for when that's going to be cancelled. Now all you need to do from here is come down and press the blue cancel subscription button to confirm. As you can see, we've now got a screen like this and it says cancelled. So if we actually come back screen and we're going to go back to our subscriptions, you can see it now says cancelled. So that is how to cancel subscription in Google Play. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.